Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today is another coin of the week on Reef.
Welcome back, and I'm your co-host Hamza, and we will be linking our Instagram in the description below. And this is not financial advice, however, these are projects that are most likely going to be doing well within the upcoming year.
So today's coin of the week is on REEF FINANCE. It's a gateway to decentralization through liquidity and protocol aggregation, proprietary analytics and multi-chain accessibility, and it is actually powered by the Polkadot network.
With Polkadot, it started off being a very small coin that many coins build upon it. For example, the coins Polkadot, Kusama, and Acropolis, and all these coins were building upon Polkadot, such as Fowler Network, and it basically caused Polkadot to increase in value. And this is something that Reef is also doing in its own DeFi way.
As you can see, they've already been security audited. I can't remember which firm security audited them, but it was one of the biggest tech security firms, so Reef is not a scam. I know there's loads of rumours going around about Reef right now, but as they say, fear when people are greedy and be greedy when people are fearful. So, and people are very fearful right now, so now is the time to be buying Reef. And as you can see, they've got a testnet releasing, where is this, in 3 days, or 4 days. The first testnet version 1 is launched, and if this goes right, this is going to be very good. So it could be a main net, and if that's the case, then people are literally going to be pouring money into Reef. And if you don't know what this is, it means that it'll be open source, so people can now see the code of Reef and they can build on top of Reef.
The reason why we chose Reef is because of its liquidity problem that it solves, and the yield problem that it would solve, and the fragmentation problem that it would solve as well. Currently we are experiencing high gas fees because of Ethereum. The Reef solves that by reducing the gas fees and also causes high technical barriers for entry, and it is also impossible to keep up with the best strategies when you're with Reef.
So right now we're in Q1 for the roadmap, so we've already done all of this. Now we're about to go into Q2, so we're going to have a lot of things coming. And if Reef can do everything it says it's going to do, then Reef is going to change crypto. So as you can see in Q2, we also have the Debit Card coming, which is going to be crazy. And Reef have already been announced that they are in cooperation with Visa, so I can see this happening definitely very soon. The debit card coming out for Reef.
And also, as with Binance Smart Chain, Binance have also been planning to release a debit card as well. And this kind of this was like one of the main reasons why the Binance coin increased in price, because many people saw the potential in the coin. And the same thing is going to happen with Reef in Q2. So people are going to be buying the hype and selling the rumor potentially.
So what can you do with the Reef token? So you can vote on different proposals, such as releasing new features and readjusting certain parameters in the system. Pay fees for operations such as entering or exiting the basket, reallocation, rebalancing and other activities. So you can also stake into various pools to earn interest with preferred APR, and choose the payout ratio of the profit generated by the activities in your basket. And they've also been on all of these very, very reputable places, and they're also backed by all of these investors, which are also huge people and known as well. So I just can't see where these rumors are coming from about Reef being a scam. Like, where's this coming from? It's all, I understand it's all the Almeida stuff, but I mean, it's just, you really just gotta look into it and you can easily tell.
Also, on the website, Reef also allows you to connect your wallet, so you can either you can either choose between the options here, and you can deposit funds from your selected exchange, whether it's centralized or decentralized, and you can send it towards your Reef wallet, and you can store your coins safely onto there, which will also allow you to stake your coins and earn an APY depending on however much you stake.
So thank you guys for watching the Real Crypto Space, and this is the end of the video. May I remind you, please like, comment and subscribe. We really appreciate it. It helps in the algorithm. And go to the pinned comments to follow our Instagram. It's an easy way to get through to us, and thank you very much.